Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. In this two-part series, we're going to dive into the world of car wheel refinishing and explore how you can give your ride a fresh new look with some simple DIY techniques. From cleaning and prepping to painting and polishing, we'll cover everything you need to know to revitalize your car's wheels and enhance its overall appearance. Get ready to transform your ride and turn heads on the road as we embark on this wheel refinishing journey together. Refinishing car wheels isn't just about restoring their appearance, it's about reviving the heart of your vehicle. Have you ever noticed the transformative power a fresh coat of paint can have on your entire car's aura? From scuffs to scratches, the wheels take on the brunt of the road's wear and tear, but with a touch of refinishing magic, they can be brought back to life. Why refinishing car wheels is important. Refinishing car wheels may seem like a minor detail, but it plays a crucial role in maintaining the overall appearance and durability of your vehicle. Let's delve into why refinishing your car wheels is an essential aspect of car maintenance. Enhances aesthetics and overall look. One of the primary reasons why refinishing car wheels is important is the significant impact it has on the aesthetics and overall look of your vehicle. Over time, wheels can become dull, scratched, or chipped due to exposure to various elements on the road. By refinishing your wheels, whether through painting, powder coating, or polishing, you can revitalize their appearance and give your car a fresh, eye-catching look. Prevents corrosion and rust. Beyond just enhancing the visual appeal, refinishing car wheels also serves a functional purpose by preventing corrosion and rust. Wheels are constantly exposed to harsh environmental factors like moisture, road salts, and debris, which can lead to corrosion over time. Refinishing the wheels with a protective coating helps create a barrier against these elements, reducing the risk of rust formation and extending the lifespan of your wheels. By regularly refinishing your car wheels, you not only maintain a polished and stylish appearance but also safeguard them against deterioration and potential damage. It's a cost-effective way to protect your investment and ensure your vehicle looks its best on the road. Remember, a well-maintained set of wheels can make a significant difference in your car's overall appeal and value. Essential to types of wheel finishes. When it comes to refinishing car wheels, there are several types of finishes to choose from, each offering its unique look and benefits. Painted wheels. Painted wheels are a popular choice for many car owners due to their versatility and affordability. These wheels are coated with a layer of paint, allowing for a wide range of color options to match or contrast with the vehicle's body paint. Painted wheels are relatively easy to maintain and can be touched up or repainted easily if they get scratched or chipped. Powder-coated wheels. Powder-coated wheels provide a durable and long-lasting finish that is resistant to chipping, scratching, and fading. The powder coating process involves applying dry powder to the wheels and then curing them under heat to form a tough protective layer. This finish is available in various colors and finishes, including matte, gloss, and metallic, giving car owners plenty of customization options. Polished and chrome wheels. Polished and chrome wheels offer a high-gloss, mirror-like finish that adds a touch of luxury and sophistication to any vehicle. Polished wheels are achieved through a meticulous grinding and polishing process to create a shiny surface. On the other hand, chrome wheels are plated with a thin layer of chromium for a brilliant finish that is highly resistant to corrosion. Both polished and chrome wheels require regular maintenance to keep them looking their best. Each type of wheel finish has its advantages and considerations, so it's essential to choose the one that best suits your style preferences and maintenance capabilities. Refinishing your car wheels with the right finish can not only enhance the overall aesthetic appeal of your vehicle but also protect your wheels from wear and tear, ensuring they stand the test of time. Tools and materials needed for refinishing car wheels. When considering refinishing your car wheels, gathering the right tools and materials is essential to achieve a professional-looking result. Before diving into the refinishing process, you must ensure you have all the necessary items to make the task smoother and more efficient. Let's explore the key components required for refinishing car wheels. Safety gear. First and foremost, Prioritize your safety by equipping yourself with the appropriate gear. Safety goggles and gloves are necessary to protect your eyes and hands from any potential harm caused by chemicals or debris during the refinishing process. Respirators or masks are also essential to shield yourself from inhaling harmful fumes or dust particles while working on the wheels. Cleaning supplies. Effective cleaning is the foundation of a successful refinishing job. You'll need degreasers, soaps, and wheel cleaners to thoroughly remove dirt, grime, and old coatings from the wheels. Additionally, a set of brushes, microfiber towels, and a hose for rinsing are indispensable for achieving a clean and prepped surface before proceeding with the refinishing steps. Sanding and polishing tools. To smoothen out imperfections, scratches, and old paint from the wheels, a range of sanding tools is essential. Sandpaper with varying grit levels, sanding blocks, and a rotary tool with sanding attachments can aid in achieving a smooth and uniform surface. Polishing compounds, buffing pads, and a polishing machine are also crucial for bringing out the shine and luster of the wheels after sanding. As we conclude the first part of our series on refinishing car wheels, we hope you've gained valuable insights into the preparation and initial steps needed to revamp your ride. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll dive deeper into the painting and polishing process, helping you achieve professional-looking results with ease. Until then, happy refinishing, and may your wheels shine bright. As we conclude our DIY guide on upgrading your car seats with lumbar support, we hope you found the information and instructions helpful in enhancing your driving comfort. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.